Let's take a look at Cardano and do some price analysis. Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto, and welcome to a new video. First up, a word from the video sponsor, which is bitmax.io. It is a leading digital financial platform with a comprehensive list of cryptocurrency assets. They have around 100 different currencies you can trade for. So if you're looking for Bitcoin or any other altcoins, go and check them out. You can use the exchange for spot trading, margin, or even a little bit of leverage trading on futures contracts if you are interested in that. But we're going to start in this video. We're going to be talking about Cardano. We'll jump over to CoinMarketCap and do some key statistics of the network first, and then we'll have a look at some price analysis. So Cardano, which is ticker ADA, is currently ranked number 8 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed on CoinMarketCap. We have a coin price today of around 15 cents. We are $0.15923. We are 1.76% up on today's trading. We've had a bit of a drop over the last few days, but with all that's going on in the market, I do think that things are going to start pushing up. All these dips that are getting pretty much bought up straight away. There's been news today, again, that Grayscale have bought that dip around another 2,000 Bitcoin. So things are looking bullish. So if we look at the stats of ADA, we have a total supply of 45 billion. And out of those in circulation, we currently have 31.1 billion tokens. We're getting 24-hour volume of just over $1.1 billion. The market cap today, which is... what date are we on? The 5th of December 2020 is just shy of $5 billion. So we have got a fair old whack behind it. If we just look at the market pairs where we're getting predominantly most of that trading, we are listed in a lot of places. If you just scroll down, we've got 221 recognised pairs. No idea what that is. Don't trade on BurgerSwap. I'm not really doing that, to be honest. And then have a look at some of these bigger ones up here. So we are on Binance, we are on Huobi, CoinTiger, some big exchanges out there. So like I say, if you're looking to get hold of it, it is fairly easy. Last point before we jump onto the charts: all-time high, and that was $1.33. That was on January 4th, 2018, and we know what happened then. All the altcoins that was around then hit all-time highs, and it's dumped ever since. If you look at a chart, that's all-time highs up there, and boom, it's been 3 years of shit really. But we think we're coming to a bit of a point now where we're coming to the end of that cycle, and hopefully we can see a bull cycle and potentially aim up some of them all-time highs again and break them if possible. So we'll jump over to trading view now, and we'll do some technical analysis. Here we have Cardano ADA versus the dollar. This is a Binance chart. I do pretty much most of my trading over on Binance, so I do prefer to use these charts. And I've already got them marked up from previous videos, some monthly and weekly supports. We'll probably just drop a couple of daily levels in shortly. But if we just look at the current situation, from the last video, we was around here. And I did say potentially that was an area to buy in down here. I mean, let's just put the Fibonacci on. I usually use a 618 level for an investment perspective. We just put that on from an entire move all the way up to that top that we had when was there. I did say 618 level. We did not make it. We bounced off this level of monthly support. So that area has gone now. We've consolidated above this level of pretty much 10 cents on the nose, and we have pushed up. It's been quite a good, it was a good month for Cardano and pretty much most other cryptocurrencies. So we have shut up. We have rejected a couple of times off this level now at 17 cents. So what I need to do is zoom out and have a look at some potential higher levels. I just want to go back in time here and see if we've got any daily levels first to mark up around here. If you've watched my videos before, and I'm looking to do put some daily levels in, and I use pretty much wicks to confirm levels of support and resistance. So first one I've noticed, if you look at this wick here, we actually rejected off there, and we actually rejected off the same area. So I'm going to put that in as a level of, if we go from there, can we come all the way through? So if we look at that wick there, we actually use that area as support, come all the way through and rejected off it. So that's a key level for us to target in the future. We'll change that to a daily. Let's just see if we can zoom back there, see if we've got any other levels where we're currently at. Yeah, I think that'll do for now, unless we've got any more higher. No, I think that'll do. So we've got enough levels there to aim and target. First up, I just want to put a little bit bearish scenario on this. And I'm just going to put the Fibonacci on this move that we've had here. From the bottom body, you can do it from wick to wick. Personally, I do it from body to body. So if we do get a drop, because potentially this could be now starting a bit of a downtrend. It's not confirmed yet. I mean, we've hit the yearly highs and we have started to retrace and we are coming down. But before, I mean, yesterday the daily candle was horrendous. We did drop down. And we look at this, we bounced off a 382 level, and we are starting to come back up. But if we do reject, then I do think that potentially is that we're going to come down here, and this could be an area to invest at the 618 level. So we'll just mark that up as a potential area to invest if the markets do allow it. We could come back down. If we do lose that level, then you're going to come back down to 10 cent. But personally, I think we're still quite bullish. If you look at trend lines and you think that we're going to potentially form a bearish trend, and this could be a bearish trend that we are forming now. So potentially is that we could come down here. We have slightly rejected off that area. I know it's quite a steep trend up, but if you zoom out a little bit, it's not so bad. So that's what could happen if we turn bearish. We could come down and get some potential orders filled on the 618 level at around 12.8 cent. If the market allows, it is looking like we are forming a little bit of a downtrend. So that is something to keep your eye on. If we do turn bullish, even if we come down to these levels, I do think it will bounce. The next major level to target is a monthly resistance at 17.17 cent. We do need to close a daily candle above this level to target the next level. I mean, look how many times we've bust through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times we've bust through that level of monthly resistance, but we have rejected every time. We had a closed a double top here, and ever since then we have started to come down. I do think this could be a potential good area. So that is a bearish scenario. Bullish, what I want to see, like I said, is a closing a daily candle above this monthly resistance. Once we target that and we do close the daily candle above it, this is the next level at 19.8 cent. You could call it pretty much close to 20 cent on the nose. Once we do start closing up there and starting to push this, I think that this is the next target, 24 cent. I have got no further levels above there, I don't think. Oh yeah, I have. Yeah, I've already marked them up. I've got 2 more levels above there. Once we do break these areas and then we close above this level, I mean, it could be a few months yet, but I will readdress this video and do some further analysis and see what we can identify, because there will be some more daily levels, potential some more weekly levels. If we do break above it and start trading above this for a while, that will again create some more levels for us to target. If we just put the EMAs on and see what they're saying, I use an 80 and a 30. Just zoom right in again. We had a bullish cross down here on the 11th of November, and ever since then it's been good. There's quite a wide gap in the EMAs here, so to me that is showing that we're still going to start heading north, but we're having a slight bit of a downtrend here forming. It might not happen, we might break through and fuck the downtrend off. That's what can happen. If we just look at the Hitman as well, so Hitman works out when there's a shift in market momentum. As you can see, we was bearish pretty much in August. We did drop down and then we had a bullish candle on the 27th of September, and it's been sunny days since then. We are looking good, but I mean, the potential that we could get a bearish icon around here is always possible. We have pushed up. It's been a long run since the 27th of September. We've been on a very long run, really. We've pushed right up, and we just need to remember that things cannot always keep going up and up and up, and we do need to have some relief at some point. So I do think that's what happened here. If you look, we was bullish from 21st of April, shot our way up. We did pretty much a 60, close to 61% retracement, and then we've shot back up. This will retrace a little bit. This could be the potential buying zone here if we do get lucky, because I'm looking to top up on some Cardano. I only managed to buy a little bit down here, but I'm looking to eventually buying some more down here if the market allows. It just depends. I mean, looking at today's trading, if we just zoom in onto the hourly, see what's that doing. We are bullish. We are, look at that for a push. We've pushed right up here, and it's looking good. If you can see this trend lines, it is quite holding up against that, so we could potentially hit this again and start dropping down to these areas, but we just need to be aware. Let me just remove them EMAs. EMAs make the chart look a little bit messy. If we do break through this though and start pushing up and close some daily candles above this, even hourly candles, because if you zoom right out, we've not closed above that at all. So if we start pushing up and closing candles, that is the next area there. So that is just a bit of technical analysis on ADA. Potential buy zone if we do drop, and then potential areas to target. I will readdress this video and do some further analysis once we break up above 23 0.04. So that will do it for today's video. Please make sure that you do check out bitmax.io. The link will be the pinned comment and the description. Also, please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, make sure that you are in my Telegram group, which is a Crypto Troops. Again, the link will be in the comments. So that will do it for today. Thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you next time.